Hello, I'm Rachel from Douentza Garden in Ireland, and today I'm going to show you how to make salvia or sage cuttings. Salvias are beautiful late flowering plants that make a great addition to any mixed border. Many are, however, tender, so it's a good idea to take cuttings as an insurance policy. Cuttings are best taken in August or September, and here's how you do it. Collect your cutting material first thing in the morning. This is important as your plants will be best hydrated in the morning, giving you the best chance of success. Select a healthy stem which isn't flowering. Flowering stems are much less likely to strike than non-flowering ones. If you have a particularly floriferous plant, this might be tricky. Pop your cuttings in a plastic bag as you go round the garden. This will further help to trap the moisture in the stems. Bring your semi-ripe cuttings immediately back to your work area and prepare them. You should aim for cuttings to be between 2 to 3 inches. From the tip of the stem, travel down on your cutting until you have reached about 3 inches. With a clean, sharp secateurs, snip just below the nearest set of leaves. You may discard the portion of the stem below your cut. Now fill a 4-inch pot with a gritty potting mix. My mix has 40 to 50% horticultural sand in it, but you can use grit or perlite instead of horticultural sand. Dip each cutting in a rooting hormone mix and plunge it in your potting mix. Be careful not to damage the soft stems. A pot this size can fit 5 to 8 cuttings. Water your cuttings once and cover them with a plastic bag. This will help trap moisture in. Keep your cuttings at room temperature around 68 degrees Fahrenheit or 20 degrees centigrade until they strike, and overwinter them frost-free. Next summer, you can expect lots of colourful salvias to brighten up your flower beds. Happy growing!